Do you all buy food from Marshalls? Yeah, look at this. I tried matcha, but just can't do it. It's $10. They have this moringa tea, which I have some loose moringa tea at home that I've been drinking. I always come here and get my Starbucks if I want to buy Starbucks. I get it from here because it's a lot cheaper. This is like probably $13 at the store, and it's $6 here. And then they have some cacao nibs. I'm trying to figure out, do I want to get these or do I want to get cacao powder? I can add this to smoothies. And then I can make like chocolate chip cookies with this. But I mean, who wants to do that? We're working on the body, so we're not thinking about that. They have this tea. I think I'm gonna get this one. It's green tea, and it comes with this really cute loose tea holder, and it's $6. I think that's worth it, right? Or you can get the mate, which I had a boyfriend, this Argentinian guy, and he hooked me to this matcha, whatever you want to call it. I might get this. I don't know. It's $4. I might get it. I don't know yet. Oh yeah, this. So they have crystals up here. Not sure if they're real crystals. This would be like a unikite, and I can't tell if it's real or not. See, this would be unikite, and it's only $8. I don't think that's real, but look how pretty it is. This is considered argonite. This is hand selected argonite, encourages healing, balance, and reduce stress and anxiety. Each mineral and gem is ancient, powerful, and one of a kind, designed by Mother Nature. And then these are supposed to be rose quartz. Again, I don't know how real it is, but, you know. Oh my gosh, do they have a selenite wand? Whoa, I've never seen one of these at Marshall's. Girl, how much is this selenite wand? Is it real? Is it real? Is this stuff real? Yeah, is this real? I'm just gonna see how much this is. I don't know if it's real or not though. But I mean, it looks like real selenite. I'm gonna just see how much it is. Might get it for the low. And then they have these really cute planters. I really love this green. I've been really feeling the color green lately. Let's see. Got the little sign language. This is super pretty. $20. I love the white one too. That's pretty. I mean, I would even get the unikite. I just don't know if it's real. Or this is either unikite. No, not unikite. What is it? Solanite, I think. Or it could be unikite, actually. I feel like that's not a bad price. I just don't know if it's real. That's the only thing. I don't know. Let's see what this is supposed to be, like a gourd. Probably clear quartz, gourd. But then why is this on here? But what is this all about? So let's see what the tag says. It says this quartz gourd specimen is hand selected. Blah 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 blah. Designed by Mother Nature. I don't know. Something I got, and I don't know what this is supposed to be. This is supposed to be argonite. It's the same as the other one. They have another gourd. So we'll see. I don't know. But it's plastic. It's not glass. Let's see. And they have all their storage. I think the best time to come here is during the spring. They have a lot of stuff in the spring. Or pre-spring, I should say. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. So it's cute. Doesn't even have the price on it. This one back here is $6. And then this one is $6. Oh, this is cute for $6. Yeah, that's cute. These are really cute to hang. I would be scared to hang this though, but I probably would still do it. This one is really cute with the designs. I love that geometrics. I got all the bunnies and stuff out. Not really a bunny Easter type of deal, decor type of fan. You know, it's not really my vibes. Oh my gosh, this is what I really like. Look at this. It's a whole like crystals and books and little knickknacks. It's only $20. And they have this triangle one. It's pretty. This one is pretty. I think that was $20. I'm not into fake flowers, but this is pretty. This is orchids, it looks like. This is really pretty. I would put this on my door. That is so pretty to me. They have it in like a blue, dusty blue color. Hey, yeah, what's up? The girls are out today. I think this mirror is pretty too. I'm gonna grab our door and entryway. It'll be cute. And then they have this one back here, which is cute too. And it's only $20. So yeah, that's only $20. That's cute. Oh, choose joy. I'm not even a dog fan, and I think that's cute. Okay, let's see. What else they got? Dreams Country. And they got these little macrame dream catcher deals happening. I'm not into plants, but this is pretty. This planter. Even this looks nice. Okay, I want to figure out how much this selenite wine costs. Okay, yeah, I know I had to come look at the kids stuff just because I have two girls. Oh, look at this little pajama set. It's so cute. Little bath set. Okay, let's see. Oh, they got a lot of stuff for kids. Sometimes I be a little skimp on the kids stuff. Mariah. Let's see. This is cute. I can tell already that this is cute. I love her. I love her stuff. $13, 24 months. But by the time she can fit that, it's gonna be hot outside. Oh, it's so cute. 24 months. That's cute. 4T. This is medicine. This is pretty. It's like a little dusty pink. She probably, oh, she can fit these pants, yeah. This is cute. I love spring stuff for little girls because it's like that pastel look to it. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, look at this dress. Oh, it's so girly. So yeah, come back and get my girls some stuff. Let's see, this is cute too. I need to see what shoes they have from Madison. Mariah, I haven't even tried to get her no shoes, honey. She ain't about to wear nobody's shoes. This is, I think this is cute. I like this. With the embroidery. So great. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So yeah, the girls are at church with their grandma, and I'm out here at Marshall's. Chris is at the house, and I'm just seeing what they have, you know. Mama gotta have a life too. This is what your life comes to it when you're a mom. Going to Marshalls, going to Target. Let's look at some of their sweaters. Because even though it's spring, I mean, it's still cold sometimes. This is cute. But I have so much pink stuff, I feel like. Oh, I like this. Simple, $6. Something like that. Super simple. I like stuff like that. I love any type of like, I don't know what that's called, like mock neck. I don't know. This is cute because your girl's not going to be breastfeeding soon. I'm going to be done breastfeeding, so I can actually wear stuff like this and like this, which I really like. Giving me 90s vibes. You know, I was born in the 90s. So yeah, just looking to see what they have. I like sweatshirts. It's a sweatshirt. Oh yeah. I feel like, am I getting too old to shop in the junior department? I might be. This is cute. This is pretty. I'm not really into red, but I would wear this because I should get more into red, right? So the medium, y'all ain't got the medium. Seriously? This is the medium. That's not what I'm looking for. Oh, this is kind of cute though, because it's more flattering, you know? But I like loose stuff like this because, like, you know, my stomach situation. But I'm getting it right though. Getting it right and tight. This is pretty. You're like on vacation. And I like the style of this shirt. Battery yellow. I like the style of this shirt, but I'm trying to get away from these pinks because that's what I have. I like this. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cute. This is definitely something I would wear. Only $10. This is so pretty. I like that. I like that. Let's see what else they got. Let's look at their bottoms. No. Okay, but it's gonna be a no. It's gonna be a no. Yeah, yellow is my favorite color, but I'm not feeling that. But let's go to the clearance again and see what else they got in the clearance section. Like, I don't want anything that's too frumpy. Cause like, I'm working on this body and I don't want nothing frumpy. I want something to like show that I've been working on my body. Something that show I've been working on my body. Body-yaddy. Oh, no, yeah. Don't know. Yeah, I think the junior department is not for me for real anymore, but what's happening with this? Okay, leotard. Okay, leotard. Alright, y'all, I think I'm done. See how much this sale night wine costs. Stuff in their way. Excuse me.